In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the washer pump in this Volkswagen Jetta. Let's get into it. Next to the washer bottle, down below, we're going to grab the pump. You want to make sure you have something to catch the washer fluid, because when we pull it out, it's going to all come out, the fluid that's in there. So you just lift it straight up, just like that. You can see there the wash fluid's going down. I'm just catching it in a pan. Now we can disconnect the connector right here. If you want to, you can push on it and just try to move that little tab there, or use a pick or a screwdriver. It might help a little bit. Just push that up, and then that slides out. And you can pull this up a little higher, make it a little easier to remove these. And there's these little retainers on here. You can pop these off just with a pick and loosen them up. These will just slide off, just like that. You can slide that off. Remember, that one goes to the front, and then this one goes to the back. And just so you don't get them mixed up, what you can do is put this on now. Now we'll take this clip. You can see there's two little tabs right there that's going to go towards the hose, like that. Take the new pump. It's going to lock on right there. I'll take the other one off, or even just pulling it off a little bit opens it up, and sliding it on. Now take the connector, line that up, plug it in, lock it down, and down below get the pump into the grommet. And push it down. Now it's in place. All the hoses are not kinked or anything. Now you can add your washer fluid. And fill it up.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.